Hey everyone. So, I get a lot of requests on how people wanting to know how to recreate the kind of loose waves that I wear in my hair. So, I spray Iron Shape, Redken Iron Shape, medium control of 11. It's a heat restyling tool that's going to protect your hair up to 450 degrees of heat. I put the curling iron about halfway through the section, over direct it back, and then I wait to touch the hair, and when the hair is too hot to touch, and then I know the curl is ready. Drag it right out and repeat on the next section. I kind of wait to comb through my hair until I'm done curling all of it. But always remembering to apply product to each section to protect it from the heat is so important to protect the integrity of the hair. And then I just continue doing that all over. The tighter the curl, the smaller the section, looser the curl, the bigger the section.